Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the way that you can grow a new YouTube channel, and within a month you can monetize the channel and sell the channel, and you can make up to 1,000 to 2,000 per month without relying on Adsense or Google. Basically what you have to do is grow a channel and sell it and get the money and repeat every single month. There are lots of people saying this method and lots of people selling courses for this method, but I'm going to show you the one simple way I'm doing it so you can repeat it and doing it again. So if you guys new to my channel, like my videos, subscribe, press the bell icon, and if you do that, you will notify when I release new video every single day. I make video on money making, tutorials, motivations, case studies. There's lots of videos it will come in the future. So guys, subscribe, like and share my videos. So the idea is basically you have to grow a YouTube channel. For example, this YouTube channel, Pet Pals, the channel is 3 month old and they make around I don't know how much money they make, but they have over 240,000 subscribers, and they are over in last 30 days they have over 16 million views, guys. What they basically do is they upload compilation video of cat and dog. The compilation video I'm talking about is not basically they don't just download the video from YouTube and re-upload. No, what they do basically, they visit social media like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and they download these cat and dog videos, and then they combine together and upload it into YouTube. So some videos are 6 minutes long, some of them are 10 minutes long, some of them 3 minutes long. They don't do every single day. They upload 2 to 3 videos per week, but 3-month-old channels have over 200,000 subscribers. So what you have to do, you have to find the niche like this. These niche have the word is the people are searching for, because over 2 billion people searching on YouTube every single day around the world, right? So what they do basically, they have a certain niche, getting views every single day. Like prank videos are died out now, but a video like cat and mouse or fun videos or movie entertainment, those kind of niches are performing well rather than make money online, because it's a narrow niche, right? You have to understand what niche you want to do. Or you can go with pet kind of things, or you can do with inventions, you can do with hacks, you can go with gadgets also. Now is to competition are there, but these videos is easy to attract more viewers into your channel. So what you have to do is you need to find the channels in your niche, and you need to download a certain video. For example, in this section, they don't own these videos, they download from other social media. They put a watermark, but you need to be careful with that. Download video, for example, this video 3 minutes long, and this video 3 minutes long, this one 3 minutes long. Download that videos and cut the 3 minutes video into 3 or 4 parts. Okay, then what you have to do, combine three clips or 2 clips into one video. So basically you ended up with 6 minutes video for your channels. What you have to do, then you upload into your YouTube channel. In this way you can spend less than an hour to download, edit and upload into YouTube, and you can do it every single day. So if you upload a cat and dog video every single day, then YouTube see that you are more frequent, it will promote your channels, more views, more subscribers. Eventually you get monetized, but the money you can make in these channels are very low. If these channels depend on the number of views, over 1 million views, then they can make a little bit money, but you don't going to depend on the ad revenue. You can sell the channel. So for example, in my channel, this is my business channels, it take a long while to grow, but I created another account for these channels. I don't, not for this video, I am doing it. So when I release that sell the channel, I will make a video. But this video channel is about pets, right? Not only a cat and a dog. You need to be careful. A pet means you can cover wide range of pets. So by uploading, I already upload 2 videos. I have 4 subscribers, and one video is not performing well. That's the first video I upload. That's only have 3 views, but you can see the video I just uploaded yesterday have 18 views, 16 comments and 2 likes, guys. So this video will performing well. Eventually take time, but when one video get virals, more views, more subscribers, again you can achieve the $1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 watch with one video. When I do that, you apply for monetization. It take a while sometime, but sometimes you get monetized within a month or so. So when you do that, when you get monetized, and don't rely on YouTube for your revenue, right? So what you have to do, come to the channel like this one, Trusted. It is it's a website that you can sell your website or YouTube channel. For example, your website and YouTube channel, you can sell it. For example, this person selling this YouTube channel, gaming channel, 1.1 million subscriber for 8,000 euros. This is a website based on the euros, so Europe, that's why it's in euros. There's thousands of websites that you can sell this YouTube channel. So if I go back in YouTube, so if I go back in Google, I can show you guys there are thousands of websites here you can sell your channels, but you need to be careful with that. Some of the people give you a username, password, and they're never going to pay you for that, but you need to be careful with that. I didn't sell any channels yet now, so I'm growing over 6 or 7 channels. When I do that, I will make a video where you can sell it, but this is the actual method that you can create a channel, upload a common videos that people are watching it. You don't have to create anything, and you need to download and combine together, basically a compilation video without any copyright strike, and you can eventually get monetized and sell the channels for a good profit. And if this all happened within the month, guys, within the month, you're not going to spend more than a year to developing a channels. If you are developing a brand channels, or your own business channels, you need to spend more time creating a video and like that, but these channels doesn't rely on that. So with that in mind, guys, if you really like my video, subscribe, like, press the bell icon, and you will get it notified when I release new video in the futures. I try to upload 1 video per day. Again, if you like my videos, subscribe and like, guys.